We're back with another lesson, and today we're going to look at squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots of rational numbers. We know that rational numbers are fractions and decimal numbers. Now when we solve problems where we have fractions and decimal numbers, the same rules still applies when it comes to squares, to cubes, square roots and cube roots. We shouldn't treat it any different. Now the problem comes in when we treat it different and then we start to think that it's more difficult, but it isn't. So let's just have a look at a couple of examples. When we have 1/4 and we square 1/4, what does this exponent say? What must we do? It tells us that we need to multiply this number with itself. And we know how to multiply fractions. 1 multiplied with 1 is 1, and 4 multiplied with 4 is 16. Like I said, we mustn't throw out the rules that we learned before, then it will become much easier. This maybe looks a bit more difficult, but in actual fact it isn't, because we just stick to the rules. What does it say? Multiply this number 3 times. That's it. -2 multiply with -2 will give me a +4. 4 multiply with -2 will give me a -8. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. And if you always do this following steps and not skipping steps, it will be much easier. Here we have a decimal number, -0,4 squared. What does this say? You guessed it, multiply whatever is in the bracket twice. And this is how easy this actually is. What do we have here? A negative multiplied with a negative is a positive, and 0.4 multiplied with 0.4, 0.16. Here we have 1 and 9/16 below a square root. First thing we do is we simplify underneath the square root. And there we have 25/16 because 1 times 16 is 16 plus 9 is 25. Then we take the square root of 25 is equal to 5. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. Simplify further and that will be our answer.